Chapter 10 Microsoft OneNote. We all use different applications for performing different tasks. For example, for creating documents, we use MS Word. For creating worksheets, we use MS Excel. For drawing and painting, we use MS Paint, etc. Similarly, for making notes, one program was launched by Microsoft Office, that is MS OneNote. It is a personal information management application which helps in gathering notes of all kinds into a convenient digital notebook. You can store information at a single place and access information about various fields like school, work, and personal life. Importance of OneNote. It is a virtual notebook which helps users to create notes in different formats and share those notes, sync those notes with the cloud, and collaborate with others. You can easily create handwritten, type, audio, and video notes and search these notes. In OneNote, everything is saved automatically in case if you forget to save artwork. Creating a new notebook. You can create multiple notebooks in OneNote. Within a notebook, you can create multiple sections and add multiple pages to each section. To start OneNote and create a notebook, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select all programs and click on Microsoft Office. Then select Microsoft OneNote 2010. Step 3. OneNote Start screen appears, which displays the Quick Notes tab selected. Step 4. Click on the File tab and select the New option. Step 5. The new notebook window will appear in the right pane. Step 6. Select the location where you want to save the new notebook. Also specify a name for your notebook in the Name text box. Step 7. Click on the Create Notebook button. A new notebook opens with Untitled page. Parts of OneNote window. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains frequently used command. Ribbon. Explore the ribbon tabs to see the various options and tools provided by OneNote. Notebook pane. Displays the list of notebooks created in OneNote. Collapse a ribbon. Click the arrow to collapse or expand the ribbon. Notebook pages. These tabs display various pages in the current notebook section. Slider to resize notebook window. Opening and closing notebook. You can open and close notebooks as per your requirement. Until you close the notebook, they remain open. As you add and work with more notebooks, they tend to clutter the sidebar. For opening the notebook, follow the steps given. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Open and select Recently Closed Notebooks option. Step 3. Select the name of the notebook in the Recent items and choose the file which you want to open. Step 4. You can also click on the Open Notebook button for navigating the File Documents folder on your computer. For closing a notebook, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Notebooks list. Step 2. Right-click over the notebook that you want to close. Step 3. Click on Close this notebook option. Adding sections. OneNote is organized into different sections and pages, and it is easy to make them colorful. Sections are the tabs which create categories. It is just like our notebooks. You can add as many sections or pages in OneNote notebook as you desire. For adding new sections, follow the steps given below. Step 1. When you create a new notebook, it is created with a section named New Section 1 by default. Step 2. To rename a section, double-click on its current name and type a new name and press Enter. Step 3. For adding a new section, click on the Create a New Section tab. A new tab with default name appears. Type a name and press Enter. Step 4. To change the color of any section tab, right-click on the tab and select Section Color option and click on the desired color from submenu. To move a section, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Left-click and hold a section tab with the help of your mouse. Step 2. Drag the section left or right of other sections while holding the section. Step 3. You will observe a small rectangle with arrow mouse pointer depicting where the section will be placed. Step 4. Let go of the left click on the mouse when the section is where you want to place. Adding pages. A new section is created with a blank page, untitled page by default. For adding pages, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on New Page option present in the right pane. Step 2. A new untitled page appears at the top of the page. Step 3. In the highlighted area above the line, type the new page name. Step 4. See the page name which now appears in the Pages pane and on OneNote window title bar. To change background of a page and to add lines, by default, every page that you create has a plain white background. To change the background color of a page and to add lines to it, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the View tab. Step 2. To add lines to a page, click on drop-down arrow of Rule Lines option under the Page Setup group. Step 3. Select the type of lines you want on your page. The lines will appear on the complete page. Step 4. To change the background color of a page, click on the drop-down arrow of Page Color option in the Page Setup group under the View tab. Step 5. Select the color from the displayed list. Making notes. OneNote supports many ways to take notes like keyboard typing, inking with a stylus, drawing, audio notes through a microphone, etc. The given steps should be followed for making notes. For typing notes, Step 1. Open Notebook and select a section within a notebook and click anywhere on a page and start typing. Step 2. The text you entered appears in the note container box, which is a small window. The header bar of note container can be dragged to move notes around a page. Step 3. You can format the notes either by selecting the text or by clicking on the 4 dots present on the upper bar of the note window. This will select the entire text of the window and will display the toolbar containing formatting options. For inking notes, you can write notes in your own handwriting. To ink notes, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the Draw tab. Step 2. Select any of the colored pen or highlighter from the Tools group. Now start writing your notes. Step 3. The color and thickness of the pen or highlighter can be changed using Color and Thickness option in the Tools group under the Draw tab. Step 4. To stop writing, click on the Select and Type option on the Draw tab. Inserting images. The given steps should be followed for inserting images from screen clipping, pictures saved on your computer, online pictures. For inserting images, Step 1. Choose the Insert tab and click on the Pictures command in the Images group. Step 2. Insert Picture dialog box will appear. In the address box, navigate the file. Choose the desired file and click on the Insert button. Step 3. In the current page, the image is inserted in your OneNote notebook. For inserting screen clipping, Step 1. Click on the Insert tab and choose the Screen Clipping command. Step 2. On your screen, an overlay layer appears. Step 3. You can drag cursor for selecting an area for clipping for your notebook page. Step 4. The screen clipping area of the image inserted in the notebook. Recording audio and video notes. OneNote 2010 has the ability to embed videos and audios right into a page. Recording an audio or a video note. For recording an audio or a video note, make sure that your computer is connected to a microphone. To record and insert an audio note, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere on the page where you want to insert the audio or video note. Step 2. Click on Insert tab. Step 3. Select the Record Audio or Record Video option in the Recording group. Step 4. It will start recording and open the Recording tab with a timestamp. Step 5. When you are done, click on the Stop button in the Playback group under the Audio and Video tab. Step 6. To play a recording, click the media icon on the page and then click Play. Creating tables. For organizing information, tables are used. On a page, a table with specific number of rows and columns can be inserted. For creating a table, follow the steps given below. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click on Table button. Step 2. In the Insert Table box, select the number of columns and rows you want. Step 3. For creating more columns, press Tab key. Press Enter key to add more rows. Or Step 1. Click on the page where you want to insert the table. Step 2. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table and then click Insert Table. Step 3. In the Insert Table dialog box, in the Number of Columns box, enter the number of columns, and in the Number of Rows box, enter the number of rows you want in your table. Step 4. Click OK. Lesson Sum Up. Microsoft OneNote is a digital notebook that helps in making quick notes, either handwritten or typed. It is a personal information management application which helps in gathering notes of all kinds into a convenient digital notebook. OneNote is organized in different sections and pages. OneNote notebooks are organized into sections and pages. Different ways to take notes into OneNote are typing, writing with a light pen, drawing, audio notes, etc. In an OneNote page, a table with specific number of rows and columns can be inserted.